Hi friends! Welcome back to the Robertson Rottie Ranch here in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful and time-honored immune-supporting plants in herbalism, elderberry. And here on the ranch, we didn't stop at just one plant. We planted 6 different elderberry varieties so that we would have a constant supply of blooms and berries because each variety flowers and fruits at slightly different times throughout the season. This means continuous harvest, extended herbal production, and a steady flow of berries for wellness remedies all year long. Let's talk about the health benefits of elderberry. Elderberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and especially anthocyanins, that deep purple pigment that supports the immune system and the body's natural antiviral defenses. Traditionally, elderberry is used to support cold and flu recovery, respiratory wellness, inflammation reduction, faster immune response, protection from oxidative stress. You'll see elderberry in syrups, tinctures, teas, gummies, and tonics. It's gentle, powerful, and extremely effective when it's prepared properly. Why is it perfect for the homestead? Well, on a homestead like ours, elderberry is one of the most valuable plants that we can grow. The bushes are hardy, fast-growing, and produce abundantly once they're established. And here's why elderberry fits beautifully into a self-sufficient lifestyle. Massive berry yields for herbal remedies, usable flowers and berries, low-maintenance plants, an incredible pollinator attractant, cold and drought tolerant, and it's adaptable to many soils. And because we planted 6 different varieties, our harvest season is naturally staggered. As one variety finishes blooming, another begins, giving us a near continuous supply of elderflowers and elderberries. That means more syrup, more tinctures, more infused honey, more jellies, and more medicine for our pantry. It also creates a beautiful wildlife-friendly hedge that supports biodiversity all season long. And now let's talk about the benefits for chickens. Elderberry even plays a role in chicken care. Chickens should not eat raw elderberries because they contain cyanogenic compounds. But once they're cooked or dried, elderberry becomes a very gentle immune booster for them. You can use prepared elderberry in small amounts in winter mash or homemade flock tonics, mixed with other safe dried herbs as a supportive additive during stressful seasons. The flowers and leaves also help deter insects, making elderberry a great perimeter plant around the coop or the chicken yard. Plus, the bushes offer natural shade during our hot Virginia summers, and that's a blessing for our flock. Why should everyday homesteads grow elderberry? Elderberry is one of those plants that quietly supports every part of the homestead: wellness, pollinators, privacy, beauty, and herbal production. Here at the Robertson Rottie Ranch, our 6 varieties ensure we have blossoms and berries from early season to late season, giving us an herbal supply chain right in our own backyard. There's a reason elderberry has been cherished in folk medicine for centuries. It just works. And now I want to hear from you. Do you grow elderberry or use it at home? What varieties do you love? Or which ones are you hoping to plant next season? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear how you are using it. And as always, thank you for spending time with us here at the Robertson Rottie Ranch. Stay well, stay wild, and stay rooted. And I'll see you in the next herbalism video. Bye.